Hi friends, welcome to Me Vidya channel. Today I am going to present you degrees of comparison. Let us learn about the topic. Degrees of comparison. It is very important topic to our competitive exams also. Friends, let us learn about that in that way. Degrees of comparison are used when we compare one person or one thing with another. There are three degrees of comparison in English. They are positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Positive degree is there is no any comparison in that degree. That sentence only the statement. There is no any comparison in that sentence. That is the positive degree. Comparative degree. This is the comparison. We compare one person with another one. One person or one thing with another one. There is the comparison between two things or two persons. And next one, superlative degree. It is the comparison about one thing with another things. Three things or more than three things. Three persons or more than three persons, like that. I gave here an example. Look at here. She is beautiful. It is positive degree. There is no any comparison in that sentence. It is a statement, like statement. She is more beautiful. It is comparative degree because the comparison between two persons. There is the comparison between two persons. She is the most beautiful girl in the entire city. The comparison between three or more persons, that is superlative degree. She is the most beautiful girl in the entire city. She is the most beautiful. In comparative degree, more beautiful. In superlative degree, most beautiful. Comparative degree also called higher degree. Superlative degree also called highest degree. PD stands for positive degree, CD stands for comparative degree, SD stands for superlative degree. CD also called comparative degree, also called higher degree, superlative degree also called highest degree. First you listen. Comparison is only made with adjectives. Comparison only made with adjectives. Nouns and verbs do not have degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison are applicable only to adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives and adverbs. He is the tallest student in the class. Tallest is the adjective. Then only we use degrees of comparison. The term tallest is an adjective. Before we learn about the degrees of comparison, we have to learn some rules. Those are, we add ed, est to most one or two syllable words that end in consonants. For example, long, longer, longest. The difference between, look at here, long, longer, longest. This is positive degree, it is comparative degree, it is superlative degree. The next rule, when the adjective have one syllable, ends with vowel and consonant, we do the double the ending, then add er and est. Okay, for example, look at here. This is positive, comparative and superlative. Red. In this word, it is one syllable only, ends with vowel and consonant. Then we do the double the ending and add er and est. In comparative degree er, in superlative degree est. When the positive ends with e, we add r and st to the adjective. For example, large, larger, largest. Look at the word large. The positive ends with, the adjective ends with E. Then we add the R in comparative degree. S in superlative degree, ST. We add ST. Late, later, last. Safe, safer, safest. White, whiter, whitest. Wise, wiser, wisest. When the positive ends with consonant plus Y, we drop the Y and add IER and IEST. That means IER in comparative degree, IEST in superlative degree. Look at here the examples. Lucky. The positive ends with Y. We drop the Y letter and we add the IER in in comparative degree. In superlative degree, we add the IEST. I will repeat. When the positive ends with consonant Y, we drop the Y and add IER and IEST. When the positive is long, that is a word have 2 or more syllables, we add more and most. We add more and most. When the word have 2 or more syllables, then we add more and most. For example, it is positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Beautiful. Beautiful word have more syllables. It adjective have more syllables. That's why we use more and most in comparative and superlative degrees. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Useful, more useful, most useful. Careful, more careful, most careful. I gave some adjective types. Look at here. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. It is more syllables word. Tall, taller, tallest. Big, bigger, biggest. It is ending with G. Good, better, best. Happy, happier, happiest. Cold, colder, coldest. Look at here. Good, better, best is the different word because it is irregular adjective. There is different forms in the adjectives. Irregular adjectives. Irregular adjectives. Some adjectives do not form the comparative and superlatives. They have irregular degrees of comparison. Some examples: good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, well, better, best. And so many examples of irregular adjectives are there. I will give the examples in another video. Friends, still we learned about the adjectives, how the forms in degrees of comparison. Remember friends, we use degrees of comparison only at adjectives because adjectives only refer the nature of the noun. So let us learn about the degrees of comparison briefly with the examples. Positive degree. This is the first degree of comparison. When we speak about only one person or thing, we use the positive degree. For example, this is a big house. In this sentence, there is no any comparison. In this sentence, only one noun. There is no any comparison. That is a only statement. He is a tall boy. We are talking about that person. He is a tall boy. This flower is beautiful. This flower is beautiful. He is an intelligent boy. There is no anybody in that sentence. We are talking about single person. Comparative degree. The second one is comparative degree. When we compare two persons or two things with each other, we use both the positive degree and superlative degree. Look at here, there are two houses. The first one is Suraj house, the second one is Ravi house. The sentence, Suraj house is bigger than Ravi house. In this sentence, there is the comparison. There is the comparison between two houses. Comparison between two houses or two places or two things or two incidents, that is the comparative degree. Suraj house is bigger than Ravi house. This is the comparative degree. Superlative degree. The superlative degree compares more than two things to show which has the least or greatest degree of the quality. For example, brightest, most brightly, like that. Look at here some adjectives. New, newer and newest. New is the positive degree. Newer is the comparative degree. And newest is the highest degree, that is superlative degree. Look at this in this picture. There are three houses. Rahul house is biggest of all. That means Rahul house is the biggest house. Then Suraj and Ravi houses. It is the superlative degree. The comparison between three or more things, more places or more persons, that is the superlative degree. Look at here. I gave some examples. The first model. Sheila is the cleverest girl in the class. Sheila is the cleverest girl in the class. This is the superlative degree. Sheila is cleverer than another girl in the class. It is the comparative degree because the comparison between Sheila and another girl. Sheila and another girl. The comparison between two girls. No other girl in the class is as clever as Sheila. It is the statement. There is no any comparison in that sentence. That is positive degree. Second model. Look at here. Sheila is one of the cleverest girl in the class. Not only Sheila. Sheila is one of the cleverest girl in the class. That means there are so many clever girls in the class. It is superlative degree. Sheila is cleverer than many other girls in the class. Cleverer than many other girls. That comparison between Sheila and the other girls. Very few girls in the class are as clever as Sheila. That means very few girls are there like Sheila. Very few girls in the class are clever as Sheila. I gave here an example to negative model. Look at here. Ramesh is not the tallest. Ramesh is not the tallest of all the boys in the team. It is the superlative degree. Ramesh is not taller than some other boys in the team. This is comparative degree. Some boys in the class are at least as tall as Ramesh. This is positive degree. Another one. This house is bigger than that one. It is comparative degree. The comparison between two houses. The house is not as big as that one. It is positive degree. The term bigger is comparative version of the term big. Both the sentences convey the same meaning. The next one. This rose flower is more beautiful than that. It is comparative degree. The rose flower is not as beautiful as that. It is positive degree. Both are the same meaning. She is more intelligent than this girl. She is not as intelligent as this girl. He is taller than Mr. Beam. He is not as tall as Mr. Beam. Both sentences convey the same meaning. I gave here some examples in 3 degrees. This is the biggest house in this street. This is superlative degree. This house is bigger than any other house in the street. This is comparative degree. No other house in the street is as big as this one. This is positive degree. The term biggest is the superlative version of the term big. That means the adjective big changes into the biggest in superlative degree. In comparative degree, bigger. This is the best hotel in this area. This is the best hotel in this area. This is irregular adjective. Good, better, best. You remember? No other hotel is as better as this on this area. No other hotel is as better as this on this area. Better. This is the comparative degree. No other hotel is as good as this one in this area. This is positive degree. Calcutta is one of the largest cities in India. This is the superlative degree. Calcutta is larger than most other cities in India. It is comparative degree. Very few cities in India are as large as Calcutta. It is positive degree. Raju runs fast. It is positive degree because that is the statement. There is no any comparison between any person. We are talking about single person. Raju runs fast. Raju runs faster than Suraj. It is comparative degree. Raju runs fastest than other boys. It is superlative degree. This is not the best solution to the problem. This is superlative degree. This is not better than few other solutions to this problem. This is comparative degree. This is the comparison between one solution and another few solutions. Other solutions to this problem are not as good as this one. This is the positive degree. Friends, I gave here some examples, some adjectives in 3 degrees. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Good, better, best. This is the irregular adjective. Remember the difference between regular adjectives and irregular adjectives. Next one, skillful, most skillful, short, shorter, shortest, nice, nicer, nicest, fast, faster, fastest, worthy, worthier, worthiest, great, greater, greatest. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like and share.